Hello. Hello, teacher.
Hello, teacher.
What's your name?
My name is Singwood.
What grade are you in?
Uh,
I study in.
I study in grade 3.
Yes. Where do you live?
I live in Mosa Village.
Okay, good. And how many sister and brother do you have?
I
Have
have
2,
2
6.
sisters.
Yes. And what day today? When today?
Wednesday.
Yes. What day is today? 12.
Well,
What month is today? What month is today? March.
March
What year is today? 2000.
2025.
កូនឯងខាននិយាយយូរដូចចង់ភ្លេចអស់ហើយរាប់ Monday ទៅចេះស្ដាប់តិចមើលកូន
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday ថ្ងៃច័ន្ទ Tuesday ថ្ងៃអង្គារ Wednesday ថ្ងៃពុធ Thursday ថ្ងៃពហុ Friday ថ្ងៃសុក្រ Saturday ថ្ងៃសៅរ៍ Sunday ថ្ងៃអាទិត្យ
10 10 10 ធ្វើកាយវិការហង hand ដៃ ទៀត ហៀសក់ head
ក្បាល
eye
ភ្នែក
nose
ត្រមុះ
mouth មាត់
មាត់ kiss មិញ
ear
ត្រចៀក
leg
លែកជើង
January
January February March
April
April
May June July
July
August September ហើយទៀត October November December